Good morning, everyone. Uh, Myself Neeraj Kumar, Intern in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Uh, I am teaching a subject electronic circuit. Uh, today's today's topic is the coupling of the amplifier. So in last turn, in previous turn, um, I was discussed three type of coupling is there. First one is the RC coupled coupling. Second one is the transformer coupling, and third one is the direct coupling. In three types coupling we can use in the multi-stage amplifier. Then multi-stage amplifier. So first important coupling is basically RC coupling amplifier. So in this circuit, name is the RC coupling amplifier. So we can see that the resistance capacitance coupling is in short term as a RC coupling. This is a mostly used coupling technique in amplifier. Here is the basic circuit of the common emitter amplifier, and in one stage and another stage is also common emitter amplifier. Two stages are here of common emitter amplifiers. Both are connected in between by the RC coupling amplifier. Here we can see that the output of the common emitter amplifier of first stage is uh, connected by the coupling capacitor CC. Coupling capacitor CC wire is connected to the input of the common emitter amplifier. So we can say that the output of the first stage, input of the second stage connected through the coupling capacitor. That is also known as the RC coupling. Construction of two-stage RC amplifiers following parameters we can use. Details of two-stage RC coupling amplifier, just like an RC coupled transistor amplifier circuit as follows. Two-stage amplifier circuit has two transistors connected in CE configuration and power supply VCC used. Potential divider R1, R2 resistors RE from basic of the stabilization of the network, and emitter bypass capacitor. In before here we can see R1 and R2 both are the resistances for the for providing stabilization of for circuit. And here C in here the if any component of DC, then C in blocks the DC components at the base of the input of primary amplifier. Again here for the second stage amplifier R1 R2 here, then RE meter resistance here, I meter resistance connected to the CE uh, CE capacitor is common emitter capacitor, which is also known as the bypass capacitor. It is the frequency curve of the coupled RC coupled amplifier frequency curve uh, dependent on the XC equals to 1 upon 2 pi FC. This graph indicates that the relationship between voltage gain and the function of frequency. Frequency response of RC coupled amplifier showing this following path. For a graph, it is understood that frequency rolls off or decrease for the frequency below 50 Hz, and next other is the 20 Hz. In between 50 Hz and 20 kilohertz uh, bandwidth, we can see, and 50 Hz and 20 kilohertz response is flat. So then here Xc equals to 1.2 pi Fc. This equation means that capacitive reactance is inversely proportional to the frequency. At the lower 50 Hz, uh, the reactance of emitter bypass capacitor CE is also very high during low frequencies. Hence, it can shunt emitter resistance effectively. Be all the factors voltage gain rolls off at the low frequencies. Higher frequencies that is the 20 kilohertz. Uh, uh, Again, considering the same point, we know that the capacitor reactance is low at high frequencies, so a capacitor behaves as a short circuit at the high frequencies. In the results, um, in result of this, the loading effect of the next stage increase, which reduce the voltage gain. Along with this, capacitance of emitter diode decrease. It increase the base current. Base current in the sense input of the second stage amplifier. Base current of the transistor, due to which the current can be reduced. Hence, the voltage gain rolls off at high frequencies. In mid-frequency region, 50 Hz to 20 Hz, there is a flat response on this condition. There we can see the reactance of the capacitor TC decrease, which tend to increase the gain. Advantages of the RC coupled amplifier. RC coupled amplifier provides the constant gain, wide frequency range, or then it is very suitable for the audio frequencies. It having the low cost due to the some passive elements are used just like resistors and capacitors, which are cheap components. It becomes more compatible for the upgrading the technology, more compatible to the circuits to attach first in between the first stage and second stage. The following drawback is there. The voltage and power gain are low because of the effective load resistance. They become noisy and with it due to poor impedance matching. Power transfer will low. There is a applications RC coupled amplifier used in voltage amplifiers. It is the most uh, used applications, most demanding applications in voltage amplifiers. We can use the RC coupled amplifier. Uh, and due to the poor impedance matching, RC coupling is rarely used in final stage. Next topic is the transformer coupling. There is a transformer coupling. Transformer coupling also used in between first stage to second stage of common emitter amplifier. But the transformer coupled amplifier, what is the transformer coupled amplifier? Transformer coupled amplifier, and the stages of amplifier are coupled using a transformer. Let us go the construction operation details in next slide. Here we can see the transformer coupled amplifiers construction. Then again see here first stage is the common emitter, second stage common emitter. Here output stage is the transformer coupling. By this coupling, we can connect the second stage of the amplifier section. So the amplifier circuit in which previous stage connected to the next stage using a coupling transformer is called the transformer coupled amplifier. The potential divider network R1, R2, and RE together from the biasing of the stabilization network. Just like same common emitter amplifier. These are the parameters again बिल्कुल जो है emitter amplifier की तरीके से इसमें वही parameters हम लोगों ने it is the frequency response. Frequency response is very good. It having the frequency distortions between the voltage gain and frequency response. At low frequencies, the reactance of primary begins to fall, resulting in decreased gain. Here we can see the decrease again. At higher frequencies, the capacitance between turns on bindings at bypass condenser to reduce the output stage and hence gain. Advantages of transfer coupled amplifier. The following advantages are here. Excellent impedance matching for this transfer coupled amplifier. Gain is higher. No power loss in collector and base resistors. Efficient in operation. Drawbacks: frequency distortion is higher. Transformer tends to produce humming noise. Transformers are bulky and costly. Gain is high. It varies considerably with frequency and say poor frequency response. What are the applications? Transfer coupled amplifiers mostly used in impedance matching purpose and used for the power amplification. Applications where maximum used in applications where maximum power transfer is needed. Next is the direct coupled amplifier. Direct coupled amplifiers, uh, there is no coupling. Direct coupling is there. कि पहले वाले एम्पलीफायर का आउटपुट और सेकंड वाले एम्पलीफायर का इनपुट एक साथ कनेक्ट कर देते हैं. दैट इज द डायरेक्ट कपल्ड सर्किट हो गया. देन डायरेक्ट कपल्ड एम्पलीफायर, इसमें दोनों स्टेज के बीच कोई भी कपलिंग नहीं है. तो we can say the output of the first stage T1 is connected to the need of second stage T2. This is a circuit of the direct coupled amplifier. Primary stage is output stage is directly connected to the secondary input, and the second output is directly connected to the tertiary input. This is a three-stage amplifier. Advantages are here. Advantage direct coupled amplifier is simple because minimum use of the resistors. It is low cost. It having the low cost because no expensive coupling devices are used. Drawbacks are there. It cannot run. It cannot use amplifying high frequencies, and operating its point is shifted due to temperature variation. There is no coupling there. There is a major drawback of this particular direct coupling amplifier. Is the major drawback is the operating point is shifted due to the temperature variation. एप्लीकेशन लो फ्रिक्वेंसीज सर्किट्स में हम इसको यूज करते हैं. लो करंट एप्लीकेशन एम्पलीफिकेशन में यूज करते हैं. These are the basic application of the direct coupled amplifier. तो ये okay. We can stop here. We can discuss the next topic next lecture. Okay, thanks.